I'm Kim.
Happy Friday and welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
We have a huge announcement for everyone at Highland.
Students, teachers, and staff members, listen up.
Starting next Monday, we're having some visitors coming onto our campus.
Yes, they will be here starting March 4th and ending their visit on March 6th.
You may be asking, why is this important to Highland?
Well, we're going to break it down in today's show.
The people who are coming are the WASC committee. Let's go with some teachers and students to explain it in more detail.
What is WASC? What is accreditation?
WASC stands for the Western Association of Schools and Colleges. A WASC visit supports our school through a process of self-reflection and self-improvement.
A WASC visit to our campus confirms that students are engaging in high-quality learning opportunities.
The accreditation from WASC assures parents, the community, and colleges that the educational quality of courses and services offered by Highland are effective and that what you've experienced at the school matters.
It validates the integrity of our programs and your transcripts.
Accreditation ensures that graduating with a diploma from Highland signifies your accomplishments to colleges, universities, and to future employers.
What has the school done to prepare for the visit?
Staff has been analyzing student staff survey data, examining pathways, programs, curriculum, looking at student achievement data from grades, STAR reading data, CASP English and math data, and using that to develop an action plan to shape the direction HHS will move over the next couple of years.
Highland staff wrote a report that highlights the strength of Highland as well as the area that we feel we can improve upon.
Goal number 1 is to increase student literacy and numeracy levels by implementing state and national standards with a school-wide focus on using effective instructional practices that support student-centered classrooms.
Goal 2 is to make sure that all students graduate prepared for post-secondary educational, military, and workplace pursuits. This is Highland's mission statement.
Goal number 3 is to increase our commitment to providing academic and behavioral interventions and enrichments by engaging all students, parents, caregivers, and community members.
Goal 4 is to support our English learners in making progress towards English language proficiency and successful completion of core and elective courses.
What can you expect from the WASC visit?
Remember, Scots, 7 members of the visiting committee will be on campus March 4th through the 6th.
They are counselors, teachers, and administrators from other schools in California.
Our visiting committee is made up of teachers, counselors, 2 assistant principals, and 1 principal.
This committee will be walking throughout campus and visiting classrooms to observe learning and instruction.
In your classroom, you may be asked what you're working on or learning. You may also be asked why you're working on the work or what you typically do in your class, how often you use technology, or other things related to that class that you're in.
Some of the committee members might invite you to lunch to hear your thoughts about campus.
If you see them around school, be friendly or say hi. This is your chance to brag about Highland.
What we do here next week is important. It matters that your 4 years at Highland meant something to you and to the staff. That when you walk across the stage at graduation, there is value and validation that what you experienced at Highland mattered. Plaid up.
Let's show the WASC committee that Highland is the best high school in Bakersfield by showing pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination.
It's important that we as students, teachers, and staff members show that we represent Highland next week during our visit. Be ready, everyone.
And always remember to plaid up.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah and this is Savannah on the Go. So I personally don't know what plaid means, so we're going to ask people at Highland to let me know. All right, let's go.
I don't know what it stands for.
What's P? What's P?
Pride.
What is it?
Pride.
Okay. What does P stand for in plaid?
Pride.
What does the L in plaid mean? Too long. What does L stand for in plaid?
It stands for leadership.
What does the A stand for in plaid?
Attitude.
What does I stand for in plaid? Moving on. What does the I stand for in plaid?
Integrity.
Thank you. What does D stand for in PLAID?
Determination.
What does D stand for in PLAID?
Determination.
Thank you. What does D stand for in PLAID?
Determination.
Thank you.